God of Abraham, you're the God of covenant and of faithful promises. Time and time again, you have proven, do just what you say. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. God, from age to age, though the earth may pass away, your word remains the same. Your history can prove there's nothing you can't do. You're faithful and true. Though the storms may come and the winds may blow, I'll remain steadfast and let my heart learn when you speak a word, it will come to pass. Great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground, my hope and firm foundation. He'll never let me down. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground, my hope and firm foundation. He'll never let me down. I put my faith in Jesus, my anchor to the ground, my hope and firm foundation. He'll never let me down. He'll never let me down. And great is your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness to me. From the rising sun to the setting same, I will praise your name. Great is your faithfulness to me. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Promises by Maverick City Music. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's because this was an advanced guitar arrangement. If you want to learn this arrangement, there's a link to a tutorial down in the description below. Also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of those chord voicings that I just played, plus a few more that you can substitute for the regular chords that you've been playing and level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.